Yeah, it's very different.
Only.
Oh, but you know, it's not only the first time that we're here together, but actually, I feel like more special than that is the fact that you two are meeting for the first time.
Yeah.
Right now, today.
初めまして.
You're so cute. You're just like I thought you'd be. Very small and cute.
What do you mean very small?
You're small. Look at you.
Yeah.
Look how small you are.
mean,
What are
like,
you talking about?
You're tiny in every way. Your face is small, your head is small, your size is small, your butt and everything is small.
Look at my legs.
Small.
Built a little.
Brain is huge. Big brain.
Yeah, okay.
What was your reaction when you hug your dad?
Very. すごいでかい! すごいでかい!
Yes, I'm aware.
It's
Oh my
very
God.
different. Very, very, very different.
It pushed me back.
Push you back.
Well, yeah, there was like a big gap between us, and I was like, "Come closer, Coco." And I was like, "Wait, now I see why that can't happen." Yeah, we're very different looking. Size difference is very, very striking.
Very big.
Yeah, look at me, I tower over.